Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Mo from Wi-Fi Cash Academy, and on this video I'll be showing you how you can make money on YouTube without actually making videos yourself. If you're new to the channel, then welcome, and here I'll be showing you various ways of making money online and building multiple streams of passive income. I'll also be documenting my own journey to financial freedom, and I'll be sharing what I learned along the way so that we can all grow and learn together. So if that sounds interesting to you, then consider subscribing to the channel and ticking the notification bell icon so that you can get notified when I post a new video. Now what we'll be doing in this method is creating top 10 list type videos. But unlike the last video I made in this Make Money on YouTube series, we'll not be using YouTube monetization to make money. Rather, we'll be using affiliate marketing using Amazon's affiliate partner program. If we come over here, I'll show you some example channels that are doing exactly what I'm talking about. So for example, if you come over to YouTube and type in best baby products, you'll see these videos that make simple videos listing cool baby products from Amazon. And in the video description, they have listed all the products that they mentioned in the video. Now once someone watches the video and is interested in one of the products, they'll click on the link and will be taken to the product listing on Amazon's website. If they purchase the product, then the video creator will receive a commission for bringing the customer to the site. You will also receive a commission for any other product that customer purchases, so that's great. Now Amazon pays out commissions according to the product's category. Now they have recently cut these commissions down, which made a lot of affiliates upset. However, people still use them, as although the percentage has reduced, the conversion rate is just so high. People just really trust the Amazon website and end up buying more than one item to either save on shipping or because they have Amazon Prime, which gives them free next day shipping on almost everything. They list all the main categories of products and they all have different commission percentages. So for the baby example I used earlier, you can see that the commission percentage that you will receive for each sale is 3%. So for example, this baby crib is $300. So if we do some quick maths, 3% of 300 is 9. So you will receive $9 for each sale. Taking into consideration that you also get a commission on anything else they buy, then it can add up. You can also go through the list and check out what categories pay the most and then make videos based on that. So to apply to be an affiliate for Amazon, come over to the Amazon website, then click on affiliates and fill out the application with the necessary details. They may want a link to a website, but you can just put in your YouTube URL. You may want to also upload a few videos before applying so they get an idea of what type of videos you'll be making. So once you're done, you'll be able to generate an affiliate link which is exclusive to you, which will track how many clicks and sales you get through that link. So let's stick with the baby niche for now. We can find the best selling products on Amazon in the baby niche and then choose those products. Let's see this for example. Most of the time these gadgets will have a sales video which you can use to make your YouTube video. You can use an extension such as Video Downloader Prime to download the videos. If the product doesn't have any videos, then what you can do is look on YouTube or simply just choose a few different pictures of the product. If you want to have a video of 5 products, then download all of your videos and photos. Then all you need to do is add them together in a video editing program. You can use whatever software you have, as you don't need to do anything fancy. There are many free software you can use, such as this one, which is cloud-based, so you don't even need to download anything to your computer. Now to make your video stand out to people, then you can narrate over the video explaining some of the benefits of each product and why it's so cool. This will not only allow you to stand out from the rest, but with any type of marketing you ever do, you always want to try and add as much value as possible. So if the viewer watches your video and sees that it's not just a slideshow, but you have done some research behind it to help them, then they are more likely to purchase the product via your link than a video that just simply displays the product. You can still get sales, and I'm sure channels that don't add narrations to their videos still make money. But when you're just starting out, then any increase in your conversion can be between you getting a sale or not. To record your audio, you can use a free software called Audacity. When you're done recording, just click on export and select MP3. Then upload it to your video editor and just piece everything together. After you have put everything together, then you'll need a thumbnail. Thumbnails are important as it's normally the first thing that someone sees when they search for content. So having a thumbnail that attracts people will increase your click-through rate, which is important to YouTube as it uses this metric in order to rank videos. You can make your thumbnail on any software that you're comfortable using. For example, you can use canva.com to make your thumbnail for free. They even have templates to choose from for inspiration. If you search on YouTube, you'll also find hundreds of tutorial videos to teach you how to use the tools better. So sticking with YouTube, the idea is that you want to get suggested in the side tab of similar videos that have a lot of views or have gone viral. So a tip that you can do is when you have uploaded your video, you'll want to list about 5 to 10 videos from other YouTubers that are in the same niche as the video you uploaded. For example, if your video is about the top 5 baby buggies on Amazon, Your ideal customer will be mums that are about to have a baby. So what you want to do is add similar videos with a lot of views to your description so that YouTube will know that your video is directly related to those videos. And hopefully your videos will start to be associated with those videos and show up in the recommended sidebar. So if we were to get suggested on this video, which has 1 million plus views, then even if you got 1% of those views, we could potentially get 10,000 views from it. And you can start building your channel in that way, as they will start to subscribe and purchase the product. Now, by no means am I saying that this method is easy or that you'll make money quickly. With any business, it takes time, effort and investment. And in this case, the investment will be your consistent effort to research and put out videos. Now, if you're interested in my main method of making money online, then I have a step-by-step beginner-friendly 15-day training in the description that will teach you the techniques and methods that myself and thousands of others are using on a daily basis to build a passive income online. The training will guide you through the whole process throughout the 15 days, so it's super simple to follow and learn. You will also be given a mentor who will be there to help you throughout the whole training, and if you need guidance or advice with your future progression. They'll also be helping you build your own custom business plan, where they help you create a blueprint of exactly what you need to do to achieve your financial goals and to build a successful business online. So make sure you check out the link in the description, and it will lead you to this training where you can get started, and I hope to see you on the other side. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.